Elevate your kitchen experience with the Composite Granite Workstation Sink S-828W. Crafted from 80% quartz and 20% acrylic resin, it's robust, highly resistant, and meets the highest plumbing standards. Experience tranquility in your kitchen. Thick composite granite minimizes noise and at 28 x 18 inches, requires a cabinet interior of at least 28.5 inches. The 9.5 inches deep design easily accommodates pots and pans, while the side drain optimizes space, versatility at its best. Our sink is designed for reversible drain placement, left or right. Whether you prefer drop-in or undermount, the smooth, flat flanges ensure easy setup. The clean lines and small corners make cleaning a breeze. Plus, it's scratch-resistant, heat-resistant, and naturally hygienic. Transform your kitchen with our amazing workstation featuring 4 included accessories. 1 stainless steel strainer ensures quick drainage for any sink. 1 bamboo cutting board, BPA-free and antimicrobial. 1 metal colander, crafted from premium stainless steel. Plus, roll-up dish drying rack, a space-saving, clutter-free solution. Our sink's built-in ledge ensures easy accessory integration. Customize your space with our workstation. Choose from optional accessories like the drying mat or the maximum protection grid. Choose from black, gray, or white for a timeless look. It's not just a sink, it's a strong, real stone that lasts a lifetime. Elevate your kitchen today.